those first 4 staples, they're really what we would call basting staples. Absolutely expect to take them out. They're just something to really get us a toe hold here. Then I'm going to go back and I'm going to start working in these sides. Now, a lot of times people they'll kind of stay like this, and they'll try and kind of work a little here, a little there, with the result being that you really struggle to not get a little bit of a wiggly line there. So I'm going to try and show you a better way to sort of smooth that out. My favorite way to work, and remember how I said in the last lesson that you always want to move that piece towards you and work with it as it's comfortable. So what's comfortable for me, I'm going to pop this first staple so I can start working that front edge in, because now I do have tension that I can pull against. So out comes that staple. And now I'm going to see how tight I want to pull that. And another trick is, when you can, use 2 hands. If I just pull with one hand, and especially if I pull with my fingers, I'm going to get tired really quickly. So usually I'm right-handed, so I'm just going to hold that with my right hand and use my left hand to really push things to where I want them to be. And now that looks like a better tension to me and you can see right now, right, we have a big dip in there, and that's okay because that's the tension I'm going to try and match across the front. So let me go ahead and work from side to side here. And again, I'm going to use my left hand to push, and my right hand more just to hold. So instead of kind of pulling here and then pulling here and then pulling here, where you'd end up seeing in my fabric, whoop, 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 little scoops, I'm going to smooth out maybe a 3 to 4 inch section. And then it becomes pretty easy for me to come back here with a staple gun and just shoot a few staples in there. And come back and get the other side. Same thing. Now as I go, I'm going to turn sideways and I'm going to be watching to see if I see any little divots in there. If I do, that's okay. It just means I need to maybe pop a staple and rework it. But once I have a little bit of that worked in there, then I'm going to skip over to another side. I don't want to stay too long on any one side because I might start dragging things that way. I want to work back and forth, side to side.